Are you tired of seeing those random WhatsApp channel suggestions you never asked for? You're not alone. They're annoying and clutter your feed. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly 2 best ways to hide or completely remove those channels in just a few seconds. So let's dive in. So when you open your WhatsApp, then navigate to the updates or status tab to be able to see suggested channels. Now for the first method for you to remove or hide these channels, you need to long press on a particular channel. After long pressing on a particular channel, now here at the top you will see an eye icon. When you click on that, it will automatically hide that channel. Now in case you want to remove all channels, the second method is to click on that arrow here at the top right, and all channels will be hidden. And that's it. No more random WhatsApp suggested channels popping up again. If this video helped, drop a quick like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.